Just after the CPA agreement in 2023, the trade volume was 20 billion US dollars. In the last year, it was close to 16 billion US dollars. So it shows us that how the such a framework can enable growth in the trades. So trades pave the way to more investments. And historically, UAE companies have been investing in Turkey, but with the recent CPA, the volume of UAE investments in Turkey has increased sharply. And we can see that in the last 3 years, UAE investments in Turkey is always in top 10, from the country origination perspective. On the other side, Turkish companies are more encouraged to invest in UAE. In the last 3 years, again, we can see a clear increase of Turkish companies investing in UAE. Last year, there was a kind of interesting development. The amount of Turkish investments to UAE exceeded UAE investments to Turkey. So the overall volume is increasing, and I'm sure that this trend will definitely continue in the following years. So 2025 and onwards, we will see more investments, bilateral investments between two countries, because these are complementary nations. Of course, there are some areas for competition, but we see opportunities more in the synergy side on the complementary sides. So the manufacturing is one of the leading industries for the recent years, that foreign direct investments happening. And in the foreseeable future, we see a clear, interest from the manufacturing investors, especially, to reach out to regions. So these are mainly export-oriented businesses. A second clear trend is on the new economy, digital economy side. In Turkey is home to many successful digital companies. We call them startups, and they are competitive on a global scale. And especially financial investors, private equity fund managers, venture capital fund managers, they are investing in Turkish digital businesses. Thanks God, we have a more stable environment now in Syria, and we believe that many Syrians will go back to their countries, and it will create a very large economy. They will, grow their country. They will grow their economy. And in terms of trading, we can expect more, trade from Turkey to Syria and vice versa. And currently, we do not have exact statistics. I think it's better to wait one more year to see an exact volume on that. But there are similar examples of, Iraq is one of other, neighboring country of Turkey, and it is always one of the top export destinations for Turkish companies. And I would expect similar for Syria. And it's not just the Turkish originated companies, but also international companies operating in Turkey are able to export to those countries.